for me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's just pray that they share food. Nothing sure. What is this? Hi guys, happy Sunday. So stepped out to get veil and try to get something to eat. There's been like fuel scarcity in Abuja, which is really messed up, you guys, because people do this thing on purpose for whatever reason though. But yeah, it's that bad. But it's all good, so yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's giving what it should give, period. Hi guys, so yeah, I had to use Snap for this video because it's getting dark and I'm not with a mini ring light, but we had to stop at Chicken Republic. They just opened, so we just quickly did a U-turn. Guys, when Chicken Republic opens, you fall in, period. So we got food, I'm eating snack. This is like meat pie. So yeah, that's it. So I'm just going to eat this and then we'll head to where we're supposed to go to buy a few things. Nothing deep, just to step out of the house, just to step out of the house. I had a crazy day yesterday. I was so tired, my legs were shaking. I couldn't go to church this morning. I had to literally just rest, and I'm supposed to have a meeting tomorrow, but no, I don't do meetings on Mondays, you guys. I don't do Monday meetings. My meetings, if you have a meeting for a new week, it has to start on Tuesday, because I don't like rushing out of my weekends into a new week and then into work. So my Mondays are free. I work remotely. Tuesdays we can have meetings, whether new or old clients. But yeah, so till Tuesday, I don't know if I'll be able to film where we're going to after now. If I do, I'll add it. Love y'all. Hit the comment section and chat away. I'm here, I'll reply. Cheers. Hi guys, hello, happy Tuesday. Yep, feels like I always start my vlogs on Tuesday, but who cares? Happy, yeah, I have some belts on. Happy Tuesday, you guys. So I have a meeting, and yeah, I'm coming from my hiatus into a meeting straight. So I have a meeting in the next hour or two. Yeah, trying to sign a new client. Wish me well. So let's hope that goes well. I'll be really glad because the girls got bills to pay. All right. Yeah, guys, it's so hot today. Jesus, this is why I don't wear makeup. Because what? But my skin is skinning. Why fly this route? That's safe. What is up, you guys? So yeah, it's time for another shoot. I'm here for another shoot. Today is Thursday. Yeah, today is Thursday. Gotta do this today we have to do this today ahead of Father's Day. Okay, so that's why we're here. So ring light, say hello, ciao ciao. Yeah, I don't know, it's actually wrong. Will it even be fine inside the video? Guys, what is up? So today is Friday. I'm heading to church. We have movie night in church, so that's why I'm going. I'm kind of late. I need to hurry because you guys, when it's movie night, the place gets filled fast and popcorn gets exhausted real quick, and I won't be that. Okay, I won't be in that position. So yeah, I'm wearing a legging and a top. I mean, old stuff, nothing fancy. You don't have to wear makeup, excuse me, because it's just a movie. Hello. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later in the cinema at church. Alright, so cheers. I'm collecting this thing on my vlog.
Amazon, come by church. Today is movie night. Let's go. What we got to church?
Which can walk with you?
Oh yeah, I'm shy.
Where shall you shy?
I'm not shy. Don't.
Security guard, please. The pearl is the tallest, most...
And yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me.
All right! Good second!
Hey guys, what's up? So I need to head out real quick. I have to buy some food items, just something for salad and smoothies. Why I have to do this is because, you guys, I need to cut down on my carbs. It's not been healthy, right? So I need to cut down on carbs. I need to try to eat a little more intentionally. So that means we finna cut down on little things, yeah? I mean, I'm still going to get in my Irish potatoes, because Irish potatoes tend to give me a lot of recipes to work with when I have it at home. So I'm going to buy Irish potatoes, some veggies, something I can make a quick smoothie with because there's power supply, and then the other one I'll just stash it so I can make like salad or something. But either way, I'm about to spend cash I didn't plan for, but that's how it's been. I mean, we've not been cooking that much because power supply is if you live in the FCT, you know power supply in Abuja is not what it used to be. The nation's capital is becoming something else, okay? But yeah, we ain't gonna talk about that now. That ain't my problem, okay? But it's affecting me somehow. You get one point? So yeah, let's get out of this place and then get some things. Buy some eggs, some veggies. I'll probably take you guys with me. So yeah, let's do that. Have you subscribed yet? Girl, you gonna get these hands, okay? You gonna get these hands. Okay, you're not gonna get the hands, but just hit the subscribe button, like the video, you guys. If you like my videos, YouTube tells more people to watch me. Don't you want them to watch me? Because I'd love them to. Please. Thank you. But I don't want the big ones. So. The big ones, they give me like this. Hey guys, so I just came back and they took lights, and I want to do a quick haul because you guys, every time I go and buy things, I come back. There's never a haul because they always take the lights. Crazy. But I got me some sweet melon. That's what it's called. I've had that before though. Just nice. I got some dates. And I've got some the things I went to buy, you guys, I couldn't even buy them. Crazy. I couldn't buy them because everything is so expensive. And these guys used to have like really fresh tomatoes. They didn't have that. I didn't even see this one was back. Did you see that? This is all they had. Crazy. Gotta wash and prep that. I got some green peas. This was the only thing that was reasonable. This whole thing is like $100, like a few cents, yeah. That's the only reasonably priced stuff. I got some lemons and limes because y'all, a watermelon here because I need something for dinner, so that would go in the fridge. I have cucumber. I had to buy one of those. Some onions. Gotta store that away as well. Some pepper. This is even salt. God, I hate salt pepper. Jesus, how did I not see that? Crazy. So I got some Irish potato. Normally, guys, these things are not always this expensive, but somehow everything is just so extremely priced. I mean, in dollars, this is like $2 for all of this Irish potato. It's like $2, I know, but in Nigerian naira, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. Don't play. It's a lot of money. Okay, so that's it. My bag is empty. Now let's just clean up all of these, and then I'm gonna think of what I'm gonna eat for dinner. Yeah, I need to get some eggs, because I think if I get eggs, I could boil up some of these, some tomatoes, some pepper, onions, and all that, green pea, just with eggs, and make some stuff real quick and eat it. So the last time I bought these, all of them got bad because they were in a bag, which is my mistake. I'm not trying that. I'm putting this on the floor, period. Let's do this. Hey guys, so I've prepped my ingredients. Nothing deep. Nothing deep, seriously. And then my potato is cooking. The food is ready. I was supposed to go and buy eggs, but man, I'm too exhausted to do that, so let's keep it simple, period.
You don't carry girls because the girls like to follow you.
What now? You know that. Look at the fine boy.
Look at you.
Yes, now.
Yeah,
See, look, let me tell you.
Hi guys, today is Wednesday. I've not spoken to you guys in a very long time. I know, like life has really happened and work has been crazy too. I've had a lot to do, but yeah, the vlog is going to get interesting, okay, from this week, because there's a lot of things that I'll be doing. We'll be going on a trip, and just stay around, don't go anywhere. But today our wardrobe is coming in finally. The furniture guy said he's on his way here, so yeah, he's gonna bring the wardrobe, and we're finally going to have a freaking wardrobe. My clothes are gonna leave the boxes, and I just hope that for the amount of money we pay this guy, that what he brings is perfect. Because if it's less than perfect, hey bruh, you don't want to get in trouble with me. That's the truth. That's the truth. You don't want to get in trouble with me. Nobody wants to get in trouble with me, okay? So it has to be perfect, okay? And hopefully he also brings the tools he needs, because he needs to fix the kitchen counters as well. We need like cupboards in the kitchen and all of that. So yeah, that is it. All right, we'll see you guys when the guy comes or arrives here, and then we'll take you through the process, hopefully, if I still have battery, because I'm having power supply issue in this apartment. You guys see, let's not even talk. I'm trying to stay as positive as possible, but this apartment has been a headache that I did not sign up for in the FCT. But we'll leave everything to God, okay? Yeah. Take a look at this madness. Look at this madness. This is my bed. Look at how we've been living, you guys. Look at how we've been living. If I iron outfits today, I have to hang them there. My sister hangs hers there. So the wardrobe is supposed to be here, okay? We saw the idea off of Pinterest, and then we tried to modify it to fit, because initially the wardrobe was supposed to be on this side of the bed while our bed was this way. But then we got a theft attack. That's why you have that sewing going on there. So we had to move the bed this way, and now the wardrobe is going to be on this side of the house, okay? So let's see how we make that work, right? I can't wait to get rid of all these things. My clothes have been in bags and boxes. These are my clothes. I'm still going to like declutter, probably give some of them out to charity and all that. They're my sisters, and yeah. You guys, I've not been as stressed as I am right now. I'm stressed, extremely stressed. So this is like 8 p.m. This is the current reality of things. We are not done. He could not finish the work, clearly. But so far it's coming together. We are left with doors here. There's another cabinet above the window, and then doors below, doors on this other side, doors here. So my sister has this side, I have this side. But this is how I was sleeping tonight. And I'm kind of feeling sleeping on the floor, like, I don't know, but it gives this vibe that's just, it gets you down. But look at, don't look at that side. But yeah. So tomorrow he's gonna finish it up and hopefully he really finishes it up. Guys, I made this meal again, but this time, did you see what I did there to the recipe? That's fish, stockfish, mama, everything inside.